Looking for a fast, easy way to evaluate FS products? FS Demo Testing Service provides a hands-on experience, allowing you to explore product features through interactive demos in real-world scenarios. Our service covers both function-based demos and scenario-based demos. Function-based demos allow you to verify key features of a product through performance tests with professional equipment, compatibility tests in targeted devices, and reliability tests under diverse conditions. Scenario-based demos simulate real-world environments, offering both standardized and customized tests. We offer standardized scenario testing with pre-configured environments for common use cases, as well as customized testing with temporary setups tailored to your specific needs. Once your requirements are clarified with your account manager, you can schedule the demo at your convenience, with no restrictions on location or time. Our testing team will then design the demo strategy focused on your key interests. During the testing phase, you'll connect remotely via a virtual lab, where our expert team will demonstrate the test, provide detailed analysis, and make sure you can fully evaluate the product. Explore the full range of products with FS Demo Testing Service. Book your demo today and let us share insights and expertise to support your decisions.